Hello everybody, welcome back to Grassroots NASCAR Racing. Just want to do a quick video for you today to show you the cleanup process from getting back from North Wilkesboro. It's pretty crazy, but before I get into that, I want to ask a big favor of you. So according to the analytics, only about 10% of you guys that are watching my videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you could do me a huge favor, hit the button down there in the corner, subscribe. That would really help me out. It'll spread the videos, get it out there to more people, get more people liking NASCAR, and like the videos if you could. That would be a big help. But yeah, let's get into it. I just wanted to show you guys how the toll that it takes, even with what we do. We're not on the track very much, we're not pushing it super hard, but I just wanted to show you what it does to these cars. We'll go here in the trailer first. So this is just what vibrated out going from North Carolina back to Texas. Look at all this stuff. All these rocks, all this stuff. Look at this. I don't know if that's actual tire rubber that built up or if that's the like the black tar, you know, that's in the cracks in the asphalt. But it gets everywhere, and you can see it is everywhere. And this is just what vibrated out on the way home. I mean, there's a lot. Let's go take a look at the car here. So the car itself, you know, these tracks are so old and abrasive, North Wilkesboro and Rockingham, that it does quite a number on the front of these cars. I mean, look at the front of this. All these rubber marks where it all hit. And then look at all these chips along the bottom. Takes out quite a bit. You look at the grill, look at that. Took out a big old chunk of it. A piece actually fell out right there. So I need to get some new grill inserts. You got a couple holes right there. And then if you look up here, geez. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get this thing repainted, and I was gonna do it anyway. I need to get new decals. But you can see all these rock chips. It really does a number on them. I mean, there's rubber hits all up here on the decals. I gotta get that stuff off. All up in there. And especially up on the windshield, there's a whole bunch of rubber hits where big old chunks came up and hit the windshield. But I mean, the car is dusty, it's dirty. This sucks in a good amount of air. These actually work really good. And if you look inside here, look at the piles of dust, all this crap that gets in here. It just gets so dusty inside here that I'm gonna have to go through and vacuum and clean it all up. This is, oh, I hate this. See that damage right there? So the car in the trailer, the car actually bounced to the passenger side just a tiny bit, and it hit the tire rack and bent that just a little bit, and it hit right there, just a little here. That's not too bad, but this, that kills me, So let me show you under the hood, show you what builds up under there real quick. All right, let's take a look in here. So first thing you notice is the tires. Look at all that rubber and stuff that's built up and stuck to the tires. I mean, the tires get hot and that stuff sticks to it at the end. So that's a whole layer of that stuff on there. You gotta get that off somehow. And then if you look at the engine itself, of course, it's all covered in dust. Well, look up here. This is where a lot of that stuff probably vibrated out from. Usually this is all full of that black stuff, but there's still some up here. So that's kind of messy. You can see where the black stuff gets all up there, gets under the hood. Look at that. See, look, there's chunks. Look at this. Chunks of it. And then up here on the engine, I mean, you even get pieces of it up here. Look at that. Chunks of it all over. It gets underneath there. So yeah, I got to go through and kind of deep clean this thing. get all the rubber out. There's a bunch up under there, down there. This is a big spot. Oh, look up here. See on these hoses? All the rocks and pieces of rubber up here. Down here, that's where a lot of the rocks build up too. And that's probably where a lot of them vibrated out from. So yeah, I got some cleaning to do. It's gonna be fun. But it's worth it to get these cars on track, to get to be a part of history like that, and to hear, what, a week after we were there, that NASCAR's bringing the All-Star race there. And with what Dale Jr. said about how well the event went and how they were just shocked at how many people were there, I feel so blessed and honored that I could be part of that to help bring the track back. I hope that those of you who saw the event and those of you that were there enjoyed seeing our classic stock cars out on the racetrack. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to see the car after North Wilkesboro and see what I get to be doing over this weekend. I'll be doing some cleaning this weekend. So, but like I said, subscribe to the channel, help me out, and we'll send you another video pretty soon. Take care.